Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the essentials. Check your device OS and Classroom app are updated. Outdated builds often block offline caching. Once done, free at least 200 MB of storage and connect to a stable Wi-Fi for the initial download. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account, then open Classroom and enable offline mode in settings so the app can fetch and cache attachments and posts. This step forces the app to collect everything it needs for offline use. Once the toggle is on, you need to force caching. Open each class and scroll through Stream and Classwork, tapping attachments and docs so Classroom saves them locally. Next, use the app's Refresh and Sync Now commands and monitor the progress bars until they complete. If an item refuses to cache, try clearing the app cache from your device settings. Do not clear app data, because that signs you out and erases offline content. These actions ensure files are stored for offline access. To finish, test offline by turning off Wi-Fi and cellular and then opening recent posts, assignments, and attachments. You should see them load from local cache. If content is missing, re-enable internet, reopen the specific items to force caching, then disable connectivity and retest. If problems persist, reinstall the Classroom app only as a last resort. First, backup screenshots of any submissions or important items. This preserves your work and usually resolves stubborn syncing failures if all other steps fail.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.